Adishmaima, Mamma Wajo, Namama, good morning and a good afternoon because we are here for Nara. Oto Bonsu, Atuquafunyame, Adom TV. Edu ya wada say, no matter di. Woman show internet, social internet, so woman show smart TV, social smart TV, so and I film so much here, and Adom TV, so no, show Adom TV, so yenti. And I made us say, the mama will call that because we program no any Odo Ahomaso. Now, Odo Ahomaso nti asia be na yenya. Odo be na yenya, tima be na ewo, suban be na yede na die, kasa be na yeka. Anamo be na yetuo. So, unyonko eda eno ni yeda na. The pesi yema ye no, eni yema ye nua na. Odofo, we program no esu nie. Wenye obi anka wa asem ankyere no. Wenye obi ensu engu na basa so. Ubaba akuma Mama Zimbi, Ototrobonsu, Atuquafunyame Adom TV, Metiasio, mi wuyo, me da sis, when you're ready, watch chain. Then, no, and you been quite a bit serious. Many would dofuna war chain no. Many would near bear man war chain no. The last time I no encourage you when many were more into call Bema Ahmo Fesso. Tum, kama, toko, naka, Brerick in ye. Odo na to say.
Meda.
Easy. We hear and no ma to say.
Obia ho ye.
E you ma ko ye die.
Obia ho.
What are so sorry 4 p.m. no?
Ekuma e adia me ya mintimi.
Sorry, a.m. no.
A.m. no. E adia me ya mintimi nyai.
It is a cow ho.
Aka me ho.
It has become part and parcel of you.
Even so ba na nko adwuma kra pa. Na menyane. Na eja ye de da ho no mo ne e be bo nkoma na.
Now the sorry corporate be FM. Bra. Brandy.
Now my abrabo easy.
Easy. But that's the same. Maybe I'm in your bounce with us, Papa, because anytime, any day, I beckon on you. You are just there for us. My madam was what? They really love you. Now, bien call a tardy. Bien cover fante hene. Coco, kama. On the last time, Boka, no one equal monthly. Or say, Akuma, the brand with your casa, as a put of rock a cra, as a oh me and as a more me now. Batman, I say, Mautiso. With us, at the same, you know, it is a popular request. What must say? They want to see a time I'll be shut Mazuti on, but shut idea as I were Hano, any honor, Yansha Mazos knee. Yamitiase, baby, yo, Patumwe. Bro, you know what to say?
Pressure woman.
Oh, say
pressure woman.
Pressure woman. I know. Now, sweetheart, I know she's watching us.
Yeah.
Then what to say? Really?
Yeah. Telling you. Yeah.
When the last time you did romance on phone with your wife?
Honestly, I don't do that.
Why don't you do that?
It's for a very good reason.
Really?
Yes. Yeah, can be say your bumper lead us not into temptation. Then we were virtually, it's more like and it's a real stuff.
No, Andrew.
Yes.
Lead us not into temptation is when you're not married. But when you're married, where is the temptation going to come from?
Oh,
she will certainly miss you. You will miss her.
Yes.
So what goes wrong if you say, honey, baby, I'm just feeling you. Give me a kiss. She said, mwah. Oh, baby, I'm just holding you. I'm you know, what's wrong with that?
There's nothing wrong with that one. There's nothing wrong with that one. When Mariam say, because people say stuff.
Yeah, I know.
People say stuff and do stuff. So, obiane limits.
Okay.
I say yes.
And on a level. Yes. Limit and a level.
Limit.
Okay.
Obiane limit with me ako.
All right.
You understand? And you know, say ultra and the limit na and so ya ko hardwin.
Okay.
Everyone's pressure. Wow, also the best. Also best dread into.
Maybe say omo wi no muti omo ya ne ade.
Yeah.
Did you experience that before?
No. Once it's a condition of the mind.
Okay.
Me can say me all that too, like perfect and all that. Yes, but it doesn't get you in a certain situation. How?
Me should me pin to the wall because someone say we a teacher and now we a leader in something. You should have certain level of discipline be? So that the odi wachino obey who?
Yeah.
What you say? I've said it here time and again. I didn't say I was going to ask you this, but Emma bebre wa ha, omo Ghana ha, ebi o Togo, or baby, ebi o US or Japan or China. Obana wo ho no wa ha. And I say bema no wo ho obana e wa ha. A lot of people cannot wait. They don't have that mind and body discipline. Say what can say what my own lines be. What I have to do and what I shouldn't do. And it's really helping them, right? Or it's not helping.
Yeah, it helps. Yes. Yes. About it, I say not dream will be the input because you know even the formula and a format no if you ho.
That's right.
When you be ideally.
Yeah.
You understand? So what the audio bar or say okay be say that made to me akono and I any say e ka ho a e betumi aboa me so. You understand? And at the same time no more protect it. You're seeking to protect her. She's also doing the same. What they say, there are times that you just can't help it but to talk about certain things.
You know, yes.
Those days are there, but on a normal basis.
So great, wonderful. So when you're talking about those things, missing you, I'm alone, I'm not feeling good, I wish I was home for me to put my head on your thighs, or I would have loved, say, we want me some sort of massage. Do one of you quickly get to say, hey, baby, stop it? Can you stop one person on the way? Say, no, these discussions, I don't think we should continue.
Okay. Also, something I keep saying, say, Beman, I said to me, I'll drink ahead of the woman. Okay.
Really?
Yes.
Sometimes we are ahead of you.
No problem. But
Great.
the thing is, most of the time, am I smart?
Yeah.
And I like women like that. Oh, but when you're smarter, you.
Not you, but when you're smarter, better than you. Yes, sir.
You're boring. See, because yes, an adult. Yes, you see, I didn't know. You know, say, more start here. You should be able to anticipate, say, in a few minutes and after some time, you know.
Yeah.
Move go deeper.
Yes.
Okay. It more starting conversation now, more kasana. No. You should be able to tell, say, it is time for me to drive the conversation towards a certain age. So, be among danger zone. No.
That's right.
Because it depends on who you're
dealing with.
So, Obani will be very emotional. What do I say? And as Obani will be okay, and I saw no the be missing the to aswa. You should want to know what to tell her at what time. But sometimes you can, in as much as Ebia, what no, deliberately no, who can be a bit me upset no. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying.
No, say that again. I didn't get it.
When you say what no so feel.
That's right.
Okay. More kasano. Because when you say Ebia or try a certain limit and stage.
Yeah.
Obema no. What dream back with P baby.
Okay.
What do I say? Ebanezana, what me kofa saying bia. Ebeshen the bufu, so to speak, quote unquote. Because I don't can and I say Ukasa say bitch at this point in time.
Okay.
Or not the end say bia, you were being a boy at that time.
At that time.
But also the end say, what's I mean, say, at the caught too much, I'm over trim in India. My first in between when I say, move kakra. Being tries and being normal. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying.
I do.
Yes, but
I do.
Time, deliberate.
Okay, deliberate.
Yes. To guard your own self.
Addition, my Adom must say, yeah, opening discussion, no. But some say, you can't hear papa. If you say, you will, and if I'm a brea, I won't come when you want chain, no when you must you won't chain, or when you about sexual Odo Ahomaso. In fact, a shemo day, a beer winning, and I want to name a brass say, into an idea, baby, as well. And you know, I was here to me share also because I was just sure a mad drone ni, any member the drone soon, and not a treno, a ma a reho, a ba. Ye nyonko fa ne mo awade ne mo entimi ma nyonko fa no entimi kopi awade enti Yakopon ya adom na ya wei ode adom me mpanifo na ode adom ya hwafo nso ne nyina eti ase de e be sua de akọ yenim sidima bebre nso wo a edi munya jojo mo abotre emfa ma yen ye be bi telephone line send ya mamo na ma frefren mo aka mo nsem nyina emra menya memma kentin kam ye no hard working men who are married and disciplined. Our mama, respect, including the families. Yeah. We are honored to have you once again.
Thank you.
Brother Eric, there's this a year, a koso, and a media program on my online radio. Na okay. Na in marriage, family. They say marriage. It's make a family, make a wife and children.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
And in marriage, work, family, and God. TMU.
Yeah.
When you are married or you are in a relationship, work, family, and God, which one should come first? Be thinking about it while I acknowledge my wonderful sponsors of the show. Adishima ma. She yadi wo hoi. Ema umpomo ntini wo yie. Ema ndiye sefata no untimi nye. So, ejuma untimi nko, kasa untimi nka, yenu aduane untimi ni, sisie nso nya adwuma. Eno nti na mo baba akoma omazimbe. Matumebo etu anamon. Na me give us ejuma ye for industries akokasa. Na wama kyerɛ me mu yie akɔtɔ ekubisa mu yie ama wama kyerɛ me mu yie. In fact, sisie wo hoi sɛ kas hawa adwene yie pa. Enti give us call capsule see odofo obenum ama na siesie wo nipadua no mu bebe e wo ya aposo eye wo ya. Na wonum wie a omo ye ntafo. Wonum wie a na wo de give us P power capsule see na eno so no wo de ataso. Na oni ma de kra eye give us P power capsule see eye onua e ma ne boso hweso etia so e ma ne say kama na kan fefefe enti odofo e wo kwa akoto give us product here mento give us core capsule see na enja give us P power capsule see there be mienu nyina akọ esiesie o e ma be ma na ho ode ni preja e den mu ye de e ya akono e ma sede enti mienu e ma ore mfida wate ma ne nkọ de ma odo aye say de sisie ni ma ye kama oba no honam so esiesie no biza bibia bobo so enti ka to ni bom na de kwa ash ehwe so bosso e ma ne say kama ye do mo say so maso yasen every pharmacy bia ubenye bia to na mo hya ne nso e give us core capsule see be ma kenti kan eti no so ni sisie e bi ma start twegu ye mpa ne sa ene kwa account am kofa ba ye e na fe give us P power capsule see twede ye say imabeko meme to makata de so enu ni o ya poma ni say enti why you can imagine say the ye himni na ti say ti mienu na ekobom obi ni nua o sha atade kro entafo eno nti pharmacy bia benye bia to e bia ne first time show Odo Ahomaso na we hia eye give us co capsule C and afa give us P power capsule C pe bia to a odofo bomodi asa obefreyen e wo numbers we so e ba cho obetimi afreyen e wo 0543 22 24 70 0506 85 11 35. Give us core capsules. Give us P power capsules. And no and media way. Almost our malaria. Give us herbal mixture no so. And no 20 the bones and tonton mosquito and a down. Ina e was so nye bito efie bi ense se efim kra ye do ma se so ma so yesene ane anaju black mosquito coil se efie bi emu o se ayo na me de na ho se ye boy ho ban me se malaria ka se be wa de a jan pamuntuntum fi ofie wate na fe insects no so no the way and the best spray no enu achire no e fly away flies killer no enu so nie e boa wo fie bi emu me se wo store ana efie oho aha bomodia tisisi tokru ni nyina ne fa hyemhwe ne mpa no so kama tese ne pampan no yie papa ma okata ma cold na de tiense ma de mo ye hwehwehwam na wotimi da na ho ma bibia say kama fefe ye beda wo mo ase yie papa ewie the royals atu omobo at the global firm at shit tight. Me see global firm at shit tight. No. E me do tata she. Emma man pennyfo. Intemufo. And I feel the young ones. A boy papa. In Rubio Mode ye bia a natural. A natural papa. Na so oba or some ube bre. Masi abai say Tom. Ah. When your global firm. A cheat tight TV. Not the fast sour, not the shahwa. She am all feelings in our back. Am I whom a so natural. Now what it is to say, am I feeling so young and then rejuvenated? Yeah, right? That's how word they be me, bro.
Yeah.
It makes you feel young and then rejuvenated. Global firm, no. Pharmacy be a dross to be a benyato. She yet Korea Sunyani. Ah, Korea Sunyani. Kofo dua. Hey, Korea Kumase. Nan kra ha de nya grow. Se wo mo gieni. Na package ni is so nice say. Obi biara GB. Akoto. Ane mamemfa eye kofo dua na mese no. Emma. Me pa show adofo mo kofo dua flowers. Me depa and sister isi frame. O se akuma. Sana woni agro. Me da se. Na me se eno ano no. Monjeje na sa never corner. And take kofo dua so per global firm. Ni bi atwa. Ubetimi afre womo. I was 0557 70 60 92. Kofodia ho ebium. 0549 21 24 33. Mienko sunyane global firm na mede mamwe. Sunyane ube fre 0547 79 66 23. 0547 79 66 23. Sunyani ho biom 0506 12 27 28. 0506 12 27 28. Kumasi osai chrome. Hey, asantwa so kan sakuma adie yenya agro me drugstore na mo ho no se si anasa. Ti Kumasi for si yenya global firm achi tight yeah. And the 0244 70 15 74. Next number for global firm, Kumasi, 0205 76 98 77. Afe and cry ha. Ajiaboso, and ye easy. Yepe global firm ni bia toa. And now they go drugstore na pharmacy. For Accra na mesi, 0264 40 39 81 0248 18 03 67. Global firm achi tight. Edamwase samase asne na yetsumidi Odo Ahomaso ede bro bibiara. Adeshima ma me se ne nkomo ho. Question na me bi say no kai. All right. But me twa me ho akwa basisi a na yentu ase. Me da se. Wow, wonderful people. Mimo we biara akoba. Odo phone it is saying. Anopana me raho. Me betina se si anso na se ensese memo hu me raho me ra na aho no. Ba yes na hwere enua baako. Obia anwene se enne ebisisa. Obia ne yenua ba ma bra kofi. Ai oye efiewura. Anope ya ntia sempa. Ema dofo enani eja ebusu nyina yakọ edu se ya na yedin pa so wo yire nso abadesta na ne na Ukraine ba ye be stress ebusu no ebenya abotre nya de bibia hwe nyame ono na onmo ono anso na oje na ade but ekwan ye ofaso ede gie no eno na eya ye dwene ho ane ye nte ase wa watwra to no watwra to. Once again, Yamabra Kofi Ebusia Yako. Yankopo ankasa emfa ne kra no ensie. Yo. Say baba ye program no. Ewie, me da senso so onya atwan ho na metimi twa me ho ko ba. Sima kakra bi ane ye besua de wo program no so ne Odo Ahomaso. Brother Eric ewa ha na fe Andrew enso ewa ha. Ye gusu bonkomo. Ya bo bonkomo bebre. Na me ba be da maboafo ase no. Na me de asemi to just say ewa wadiem eni mprantwe mu e de bekọ awadiem eye adwuma ebusua eni nyame ne ehi ne wo se bakane Brother Eric.
Me that's it. Was a question we no answer na me that me can no menda me year group 1998 or that dear phone na.
Oh that dear.
That dear phone na. Almost obutia.
Me Johnson.
Yeah ba ko John Entry or Canada. Or then na dey bia in fact we touch screen no. No, I post it to your platform so.
And one don't know.
Also, chia.
That's it.
As I say, chia, my sorry for you now.
All right. Yeah. This was sorry for her.
Yeah, I'm sure.
Oh,
Papa. Yeah, Calvary, and you know,
under Baptist.
Calvary Presby.
Presby.
Yeah, under Fafaha district.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yo.
Omunyina so muchia.
E de nyame ase. So for I say fi program.
There be. Also for encourage me.
Yeah, that's it.
Yeah,
that's it.
Me youth na me science so active was sorry no. You know, sometimes I see youth no look up to me.
It's
one
true.
way or the other. Into no a good thing you're taking up.
Great.
And born empire so at the tire.
Papa.
Yeah.
No don't also there and come by one come and get you oh. E nyame e na ma ye gina na ye gina. Come August. Now you're 17 years no. Na pass to say. Na ye ndie be ne boko. Boko ni era 18, 19, 20th anniversary there. Oh my goodness. All right, so let's go see that.
Yeah, we are seeing na e wo no. Bibia mu no. E say hu ni se nyame na di kan.
Okay.
Na o waware mu ana o bobra o ye bibi na nyame ndi kan. Wan sire nyame nsam nhira. Nyame ahobanbo amba dia wo ye ni mu a. Ndena misro say dia wo ye no enkosi pi.
Really?
Nyame edi kan wo bibia mu. Se obetimi ahwe omba, se obetimi akọ adwuma, ahoɔden na ɔde kɔ no nyina. Ohia nyame nsam nhira ne ahoɔden. Ohia nyame nsam adom na wetimi de ayɛ adwuma no. Na wetimi nya ahoɔden nso de ahwɛ ɔyere ne womba. Nti ufi nyame a na afi adwuma. Bɛma a onya adwuma de na ɛte sɛ aware akatie si so.
Me ba just say
bɛma a onya adwuma. Ɛte sɛ aware a akatie si so.
Ɛne sɛ enyi nkɔ baabi a.
Enyi nkɔ baabi a.
Esi baabi esi.
Esi baabi esi. Eni je nim, odo nim.
Okay.
Untimi nkan je me say be ma nya adwuma. Nti eni je wo fie. No, and ntimi nya di. No matter what.
And to work God family.
So God work then your family.
Also, so God first.
God first.
Second, work. And then the third,
family.
All right.
Yes.
Sweethearts, Yashafo, please go to my Instagram page at Akuma Mazembe and then let us know that in marriage or relationship, which one should come first? Is it work, family, or God? Let's know and then explain why. If it's God first, why should God be first? If it's work first, why should work be first? If it's family first, why should family be first? You sure what it is. All right, remember Andrew. Andrew. In marriage, relationship, God, work, family. Which one should come first?
Okay. Rebecca said straightforward, pretty straightforward.
Oh, really?
Okay. Son of Rebecca.
Okay.
Okay. Because you say, okay. So even before you begin to ask your question, where are you coming from? Okay. There's nothing, no step. Okay. So definitely it has to be God first.
I see.
Okay, and God first. No, so there's a certain area. To me,
I see.
He's giving you a certain manual.
Yeah.
Okay. And everything you want to know about him. There are a lot of people who will tell you about God in various dimensions and various ways. Or beyond an idea. Doctor womb. Fisherman womb, carpenter womb, tax collector womb, they all had their ideas about God, and I said the way they saw God. And it came to a certain point. Ideas in okay. So and among first has to be God. No two ways about that. Okay. Now, yes, maybe I can be, but the way I want to, looking at things, I I would beg to differ a bit.
Okay, so go. We're listening to you with all ears.
You see,
with all eyes, we are you.
You see, God sets you on a certain path.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, do see sa kwan no so no. Onim say utu anamona obe hihia nkrofo.
Yeah.
Ono no de nkrofo no dua wa kwan so. Na okwa okohia wo mo. See, it's become more than obvious lately. Say you can have all the cash available, okay, at your disposal.
Yeah.
But nipa we didn't be chess energy no unya.
Bipacho, French Mabeka said repeat and call. That means repeat what you just said.
Okay. Into me say
yes.
Nyame abo. Or the way dua kwan bi so. Okay. And one unim say definitely no man is an island.
Yes.
Inti wanama otu ni nyina no obehyiahia amanfo okwan no so. Ono eno de amanfo no edwedi a okwan no so na okwa wehia wo no.
All right.
I'm saying say it's become a fact lately. Okay, that you can have all the cash available. Ejuma you can say oh ejuma maybe that. Ejuma say na me any say. This can be all right. But nipa o de be chesa sika no ana no me chesa efije no. Na wunya. Nem got ya say nyame amfa obi ambrel. Na nipa no anhwe beyond what you have. Ubenya share nyame. I mean God first. Ubenya sika no. But you lack in the third.
In fact, what do you just say? Mami Kai Steve Jobs. Okay, do your iPad now. On his sick bed, he said, "Sir, his family, the most important thing in life than any other thing." Look at this man; he was damn rich,
right?
But it got to a point he needed the family. Meaning, your mother can't go see there, but they will come and no I want to say, so I don't forget it. Yes. So go ahead.
Okay. Indeed, after God, those people around you should matter.
Should matter.
Yes.
Okay.
Because who share or more, okay?
Okay.
In fact, everything comes in their right time. Okay? Both good and bad.
Yes.
Whatever it is, eventually you meet the right person. I am saying, say, before I say, Sikasem and Ejuma Sem Bebemono, Nipana no anya baako. The moment to Sana Mona. Doesn't matter what you have.
Okay, so now what am I in two instances? So right now, is God first or
God
work first or family first?
God first.
God first.
Family next.
Right.
And then the money follows.
The work.
And then
the
money,
work.
yeah, of course, work and
so Andrew, you're saying, sir, God first, family comes before work.
Yes.
Wow. I love this. Please go to my Instagram page and then let me have your comments and then but there are issues.
Yeah.
Wow. Emma bebre can say they are upset saying say ye crew no more enya time emfa maye. E bi no mu say so ye yiri mu enya time emfa maye. Ene nkwala no. So are they right or wrong?
They could be right or wrong.
It's work. Oh.
They could be right or wrong. Depends on one basic question. What are you looking for? Oh, then I'll pay. Nipa na we share no. Ono na you focus.
Yes.
And I say at your one and you focus. So the one you focus in there, and it doesn't matter where he goes.
Okay.
What do I say?
Yes.
What if you understand? What if yes, all you're waiting for is the cash at the end of the period. What do I say? And I said, "Hanko baby, out, Hanko baby." When you say at the end of the day,
no, you'll be satisfied. Yes.
But if you end up saying, you say, "Hey, you mean I do mommy?" Chasing work and doing all that stuff, no, right? We can live on just the little that comes. When you say there's a portion of time during the day, we assign it to work, okay? But work no will focus. Because eventually you will work up to a certain time, you will retire. Your money can never give you that attention, that satisfaction.
Wow.
Never.
Wow.
Never. Inti say memo, whoever is looking for that big thing to come eventually at the end of the day.
All right. Yeah, thank you so much, Andrew.
Yeah.
Adishimaima and ne Odo Ahomaso no me gidi pass and come aye bono e bia pun say pa. Emma say obi ne yire to work no mo hwa no need go to work. A lot of debate is going to go there. Say see e po yempo what ya see a won't ya see o ye hu se Nyankopon ene kane because oboye e won so. But Eric, awori bebre agija. Emma man say womu kunu nya adwumaden omuntimi nhwe wo mo ene ade. So let's leave God aside and see. And it is say no in our relationship and marriage, because even in relationship, so Obane and who said this man and this person, oh no, I'm sure God will move first. So they are looking at or to saying, obetimi ahweme, or your hard worker, ejuma ben, or ye, ni fear to saying, to a rented room, cry no, near my ben,
You see, those.
All right.
Yes.
So, So those, you may be right on what you said at first, that work.
Those are the basic things.
Yeah.
All core relationship more. You should know, say, you have to have that grounding. Bema oko se obapa. At least say unya grounding say we ejuma. Bible says say enye ejuma ni ndidi. Yeah. Now onye ejuma, how do I expect
it's not the over here, but the priorities is what we want to place them.
Yes.
They're on a scale of preference. Yes. Which comes first, second, third, fourth, and then which one you should have more time for? Is it work, family?
No.
As for God,
yes.
There's no challenger.
Yeah.
So I don't want to go there again. Yes. But yes. Work and family.
Yes. Family, you should have time for family. But in everything, it should be in moderation.
Okay.
Yes. Now, say, family, no. Now, when you see so, and support the family now.
Yeah.
Where do you want the family to go? At least, sir, the ayaka say, and so you at the point, you know, we bet me lose o family now because of ejuma into bet me lose o family. But we invest now to hold no more now only ejuma crapper. The investment now where you know will be working for you. You will be at home, and with your partner or whoever around you, you will be comfortable. You see, at the end of the day, no more. Yeah, this say you forget to say. Only ejuma now went to me a good investment. Now went to me and far on my NC baby pa and now. When to me am fa ebusane nsi baby pa at the end of the day no crowd we adwuma say na so betene fie
no
wonya hwe
okay
nti say otimi nya good foundation so onya good and no enkire say unya time ma family
okay
family ne de ehu hia say o ma weni ko ho in as much as wo ye adwuma no say o disika be fie na be hwe ebusua no na dia ye hia wo fie no utimi le ba enye ebusua bebre sika wo mu enso eni je ni ho
yo
all because ye nya time for my family no and no interest say ye forget about adwuma no ye nya adwuma no ye nya mre nso ema ebusua no
eyire ne mma
eno ne hia
ne hia afa na agro na ba so seriously pa enche me activate phone line sama now so afre no akere wadwen ba ko me Instagram page ya osikeni belembe also in fact Akuma, you're really doing a good job. We appreciate it very much for your good advice. Keep on. I am single and waiting for God's appointment time. Greetings to my mom and my sis, Eunice Odame Asabia. Frank, Tema Committee Tema Committee, I miss you all and I love you more. Me and Kame home come Ramiba, Yabetraso, me that's mi mamu nyina akwa babiom sa afa na wadu fie ana afa na wakai ya ane o program Odo Ahomaso Adom TV o baba Akuma mama Zimbi me mpenifo akuku dam brother Eric and a brother Andrew and a lot of discussions akoso ye papa ya kasa e wose unya self discipline we ire to kwan we kunu to kwan a ame chichiro ho tena se eye de obaba uko jeja ho de animguase kese na ebro so it pays to wait. Keep on wearing your dross. Dross is she. A cut across in fear now. So I wear some worry. Also, yes, I discipline. No, I was just swallow. Now go to a show dross. Now, man, sono. Mo flap on the moon tomb. And I'm a pocket mo koto kono so mon zip on say, come on, and no any ever come a year to year. And come my dabama so you go so able bo and it's akoye debate akoye ebufuo akoye nsem bebre se emema bebre enyamre ema won yere no mo ene ne won ma mema bebre de omo wura nyina akɔhye adwuma mu mema bebre nyame nkoa ne ade but you to boss abrantie we ne bring adwuma ho pa won so ne nyame de won fa ni agro. So in this case, the work came first, then God, and then before the family. If I'm talking about say, right. But nyame sum de, and no, you see no challenger. It's the empire boss ni nyina ebe call name na aye kama. And nima bebre edi wunya, e jojo, e bia nkomo aye boy nsu no e bie niama e de ama. E ho be nyem papa, sa wo be frɛ na wetimi a kyerɛ wa adwene. Na maybe a phone line see na dodo no nso nko Instagram page ho momfa mo nsɛm no emra na ye be kinkan ni na ma me ne be ma New York me hu message no won plan na ni nso ma me no ye be discuss, don't worry, but me be phone lines right away so they be frɛ na we keep on discussing issues. Now Uncle Andrew and Eric say conference better echi you better come Sunny. I haven't forgotten at all. Okay, yeah. Now my person no be skill of preference number 1. Yeah, okay. Yeah. And you know, me pa chobe me friends see ya. I was 0302 211 701 0302 211 702 0302 211 703 and afi 0302 211 704. May that give us for us say. And I just black Mexico Edamasio, the Royals with Global Firm. And then when you ask, and I for, and then when you ask, when we uncle, now you have call Sembra. But while we're waiting, I think so. We need to. Oh, hi, Portia. Hi, Portia.
Hi, Mama.
Medase. Portia, I'm afraid.
But you're so fast.
Ashia man, yo, Portia, it's you.
But you're many boys now.
Maybe I say.
The papa boys, when you're going to
Tobo Portia, Tobo Necasa. Yamaya don't weba through and Tobo Necasa. What's who walk of far boy be? What tema? Okay.
22.
I see.
On my
abortions
and I'll bet that's a family. It was not a that and I and there are near copyright against the if you can none will stop. Uncle said, "Now the much yeah." So we go check and up for that. Why has that much? As if you are welcome to bring for some man with him for that. My mom got and I did up and
Portia, when you line him when your papa, but 17 years. What's so far, boy? Be my abortion, sir. Emma, my 12 baby, Marco went to baby for fro.
I need to sister. I'll be there, mouth.
I want what's your young post when you be out? Oh, Portia, Jay, and a frebium. Jay, because you did here, papa. And here, papa, shall draw soon, shall draws. I mean, as some Prince, touch him out for me, my car body back or Odo Ahomaso. Me da say. Yo, open it you.
Yo, hello. Hello, okay, I come up from
Patrick, what do you
like here today, I'm about with you, man, master, where you want to
me, Patrick, yo. Yet you, Cassa. What's it? You know, here, pa.
Oh, because the sister, my girlfriend, because of that, we have the problem. Because of a Juma Center.
Because I see. I see. And to you, no, a Juma first. Well,
because and then
and then money be a abano, and then money be.
And then, Mama,
yes,
don't pretend, but I think that mostly the baby
it's true.
because the Bema Casata need to car, Ultimo, we the company yet.
It's true.
Said the Sewiska was here. I was a crack to let the one man to the grammar or that crowd of Fred Crown or Bell of Dice. So, aha, it's in the rest of my girlfriend. I'm in the wall. Crack. And I think the movie issue. Emma, what me would be price and the man walk out to the car, the man account to the car. Anna, men, I wasn't to be a supporter. But we are men so be you. So I don't know what happened. It's a mama, but then I'm a crack and you too aggressive.
Wow. It's not only scared, but supported.
The honor some quite the pan, the damage.
Yes, some more.
He was forced to sleep with another man. I'm not knitting media one man because that's the only way.
Wow, me pacho hold it there. Who person just say, well, girlfriend, no, the new command will be. Emma, no, the emoji scanning bread. Who Emma, all the command, mammy.
No, but this kind of I said. Instead of not man, no woman, lady now open.
Okay.
Because I know me, you
know.
Now, on people behind, I'm supposed to be there.
Okay.
Yeah, but it's not any means to be or not to any family I've been for once in the
okay.
I know it's to my mental say, Ben, my weapon call pen up at a banana.
What's about
a kind of country? It is, you know, I'll say, you get it to meet my dance.
Edio. It is a banwa or didn't who come as a bemo, yes, come on, mamma. Bema, no worry, no.
Very well, I'm a parody. I may go for now.
Ayo. Never be now, so I'm a bigger picture. Me who be a quack. I just want to confirm, say, the F of my dream, no, son, a quack was see,
well, it is only them and that.
Okay.
And to them and about again, back to baby one.
Yeah.
Tsunami. What we do, one of them about some few months ago.
Yeah. Yeah.
One day, one time. Nah, my grandmother was very, very interested in the relationship. When she did, you know, pushing me, say, I don't know, I meant to think of love for him.
Okay.
One day, we're trying to line out, picking him. We are Cassa, but we both be being said, or besides, when I'm saying, I didn't need number, not was a sign of line on Tino.
Yes. Oh. Why some do this young can hear who said they go see you. But so well, Adish my ma. Hello. Me ma kwa ba di Odo Ahomaso. Kana you? Me ma kwa ba di Odo Ahomaso. Kana you? Me da say. Na frefi he. New edibia say. Uma woni su kakra nka be ye ndese. Great.
Oh, we had a mayor na me bonabas.
Wow, and then all your pint ya bonabas.
Oh, the BBN one of my makers when down with him and them a yen good for me. Some bonabas.
Oh, okay. Mammy, you're banning Cassa.
What your
school
program?
Oh, school. Or a teacher, and I saw a student. Oh, a teacher. Teacher, need by me, that's you. Na enene nansa be ma bi esu egu so saa say yiri teacher e na yiri no agya ne ho be ma foforo di no bi se next week ho saa same way teacher ni hwe me da se pa say ono wa anye saa
ono dey good pa
e de nyame ase wonso oni wu nchen ya o ba bi a so o ba bi di hu ni o
mate
di hu ni mesrew me da se great nyame stramo no mo nyina ho ban adeshi mai ma ye de se de tie na saa na e beka no bibi di wunya bibi jojo koye koda na unya obi anka kire no o ti Odo Ahomaso wo baba wadanfo wo yiri wa chiri ba akuma mama zembe ene empanifo and I back can some way in actually any one no. Me ma kwa body Odo Ahomaso.
Amodon so.
Me da si Joseph, na Joseph Frevin.
But on the Myra.
Mahia.
Myra, Myra.
Oh, Pokwase Myra. And yes, one you never me who. And why did I? Me da say. Yo, yet you opening.
Oh, Pacho, Ekuma, mini problem no. Now personal and academic the pa.
What you kaka crash say? And we have a personal man so.
The Pacho me ababa wa do. Na be almost 5 years ya yetna yani. Na makobo kokoko. Mebusa for buy ma na busa be shi ma ya bokoko kwa bi ewie. Ama disi a me no ka se me no wo mamie nu.
Oh, okay.
Be ma ba ko oba ba ko.
E wo kokoko na emu. Eh kwaku. Wa kokoko awo oba wo sa wo be ma. E ma nkole kwa mi bi sa wo mfi o madi kura no a. E bia na wo madi mfi ahia.
Ekuma me pa cho sisi a no me ka e babo ayo ho na ya pe no ho ade. Be ya ho babo anu mo. Na se ntu kwankwa no mekum.
Ono bekum. Me kura ka me she gloves wa ho. Na se me swe you chale. Wa kokoko yes bremu. Afi asaso, akopiem, akoda mpaso, adwonso. Ama dwonso na enipa. Oda so sister mo bufu.
Ekuma ndija minya den.
Kono ho ade. Ah, na dey sisi.
Ekuma enhu ade ye no. Enhu ade ye na ye be makoye ni. Ti no no ye ntam bi bi nkoye.
Mona mo ye o. Me nia be ma tie me. You see, me I'll say it as it is. Say ene won plan me. Na bo hia na me na mo a. E woni ma be kan me wa o me yo say. Afa ye kosa na afa tete me. Certainly the woman will change. Because what change? Me wan say bia na usika kakra wunya wo de ba no. You are wasting it other ones somewhere. Na say sika no kwa wo kata so a. Wo di save ye kwa oba no ho ade. Wo na kokoko. Kokoko ni mu no wa di na mankwala mienu abem. In fact, me dia mo ma mu ntie. Oba no so no ache say me mpede ya moye no. Bo me wow, mo etimi ahyam ho so ebe ba ko abem. Wo ntwen ma mienu mmem ansa wa koye oba no ade. E dia na wo twen. Wo yo obi krampo a me nia be ma. Wo yo obi a me ni oba religion owo mu anase tribe of him. But me
oye cracking me.
Oye cracking me fine. Enti nka owo wie e fa no fa ne ba no. Ye betu akwari di ni kra no. Na wa ye ne ho ade afra. So ho. Wa ne ho ade afra. Na mo de Kwaku unya adwuma bia ho.
Me pato me sliding windows.
Sliding windows ska mo moji. Wo high guy.
Ska wudi. Kuma nyese bia me pese me ade no.
Ba de en.
Na kinu se me hu na me ye. Pato
kasa mi tio.
Me hu na bokoko ni wie ye no. Ena ye se me mpe container bi na me nyama no. No fanye business ansana. No ho ade ne akoye.
Why na kan sa tell?
Oh, I'm not going to say me.
Okay, koso.
Na me ye kontina na ma no.
Yes.
Kontina me ye ma no. Ejuma me ye ma na no eguno. Me ye ma na no eguno.
Okay.
O ti a se. Ha, di ti na ba ta se.
Koso.
Mpa ti di ti a ma me sa so ye foforo ama no. Nti ye na ya adwin se me ye wi no ono start business na ya boaboa ya ho na ya koye. What I say, but ono mfa say bia no what na menye no ye sa de no.
Na de no ye.
Omu mi ankasa.
Omu wo kwa ba so.
From the beginning.
Beginning.
From the beginning. What you happen?
And I come kokoko no.
Let me kokoko na answer we nu na happen.
Ba me pa cho tie me nia ba ma. Kokoko a ekobo no. Eno nchechiri wo mfa change as akobo kokoko nti change na akwari sa oba no. Me de me nya ebusue nyina ba me bia ba so kokoko aboma ne tai. After 2 months, so my bema for by the Banabemano. Say, Busuya betimi agina as hard no a. Ebi nkoboko 5 years, 10 years, 8 years, 15 years. Now all that sugu ho. What say? Wonne na bokoko. Men can say, be a attitude. Minya na nka oba ne wo ho. Ne meti ade kwenti a. O fa ni die emma. Me ne bekasa. Me ni aba kasa. Fama no. Oba me srew. Me ni mumu bia. Program tin ma frɛ telephone yan kasa mesrew. Binyaba. Hello sweetheart. Waba, yes, one cassa would team where you were bonio.
Hello.
Me da say. Oba pana what to say?
Pastor
Me da say. What can you when in sono? Anka when you son a panka, so I want that. In fact, on plan way. Also, when in sono into that, on to me con any meal. Never any saying.
Well, when the last week Sunday, I saw me come, mammy home.
Me patch all say.
Well, last week Sunday.
Yes.
And I'm seeing come, mammy home. Yes, and they shot. I don't know, casa. It's your one. In the one by ye night. Yeah, Cassatia, Cassatia.
Who come, I'm not a query.
I'm not the quack for this schedule on her. I'm serious to yes, you are.
Hey, where the Nancy some more? Where Nancy and I know I didn't talk any by who crew Bemana or Baba who crew or China or Chinchi, and I'm fearing you and Chino. What's the winning sono or coco a buy, you know? We more dime dough. You're the same way, yes, I did when you know, who did not attempt. I am pan and yampa. I don't know, dinner time. I dainty na would dinner time.
Oh, yeah, like almost so dinner time.
Oh, Debbie, only case. We only case back or cry.
Never do that.
Me pachotie. Said ye see biara. When you won't quit for me, demon. Or baby, or dear see biara. Bent to no say da any matam da. Only do what time crowd channel. So I will say, say no do go so. Say a bua woman no. And India won't find man in Tino. Anything so by walk on warrow. Me pachotie, I say. I will soup my ya. Was say what sent on to me condo. And I say, since you stam or couni, says what in fear. 27 years. And only shall see a check. Say 5 years in India. 27, not 22. 22, I'm starting to Hosana. Mensre. This is a serious issue. Bevan is ready in fear.
Only said an
Oh my God. Yo, Mate, and you are Ben away.
For some of the poor, a piano home, your man, and to me, no. No, I know be for woman saying, but no one knows me to aspire.
Good.
And I'm young because I'm not 9 hours, and yes, and I meant to sound for my sister.
Near man, I spy.
But then, you know, let's find them to 2 good years. It's me and I pursue a business for you. Then will be a baby, you know. Not and content them. You may know what's now say. You ain't listening. Yeah, the command sister. And she second one, I said, but on, yeah, you to and I
put on some container him.
The time, Maconi Dane, but Miss Jaina, no offense on them, man.
Yeah.
I had to maybe I know be.
Okay.
And I'm dying. The second one,
can say we
just for our man is gonna be the times on the room. And also, until I'm papa free. So free mono, there's no yabra, you know, scan you want to young come and it's me eat the corn and the air, you know.
Many about can some a year pious and dear Odo Ahomaso.
Presently. You can be and every 1 week near year, no, a young put them and me out for nothing. Or Aquala or Barman to make me out going to, and also so many barman wants to another say. Maybe I a grabu. What I ain't not the Okunuka say, or she would jar a gun ain't me, no, and no crap me bois. Now, Miss Slow, we need him. Minia bar, me baba, 27 dear. We are me baba. Na. Emra papa wo ye no wo yiska ye de koye ye ni 1 week no ne wo kun sesen ho woni wo kun discuss e ye frozen bo fie di mame ye frozen amen ye fia
ye fro wa fia efia o mame ma no o to so ahen
me na me last one
una last but one unu anu ma o ma ware ho ana ope na ye oba
Pacho de dana ba ko e ma fo.
E ma fo no mo nyina ma ware.
Pacho de bi peni na pa na ware.
Aha. Enti wan sua ade kra mfi sister penny ho. Se be ma hye wo dwetire. Wo ho akire wo se den na wo peso bo wo sua kra eni wo ko no enkasa ho en. Na wo de dwetire de ama wo no. Eno na wo de akọ. A wo ni na discuss. Me nua ba wa anya ni yi o. We de apologize ma wo kru ni yi papa. Na sisa wo suban. Na sisa wo suban. Men si wano enye be ma biom. En de nya de amene ho. De me kan ate. Anka sampo na anka enyume usu nwe aduane mani ni kra anka mete ase na so ni be ma be gina ho face so ye na say hey e bia na bia mote kra no eye fie kasi mu a obi nso oche me ho na ye ho hwew afi sa be makro na wudi watem edi na tem no afi ubesa ko bai ho so no wonda kwekwe ama efia me efa me na efia
ma
we de pa okun cho sesia me pesa meti so pa ne cho kana menti e boni di ne pa ne cho meti o
oro me mo bedroom me no kwala ma ba
ho sorry ho meti o wait I'm waiting for you meti o men kat o kat e dey asamato men kat ne kwa to boko yes to boko yo
Paso, me so fashion ni
me ba cho say
me catch you
sanke bio na mitio hello kasa mitio
me brother me paso me so me nyesa bio pambone teme
yo o say bra kwame wo yiri so opacho atembidi odidi wo no wo nyesa bio na fache no bra kwame wo di ache no
Bra me pacho ni amiye mani ni interesa fashion.
Yo. Bra kwame pacho fa phone ma no. Sweetheart, if you fa phone ma bra kwame mame. Bra kwame. Bra kwame
Mame.
Menye wabusuani o. But Odo Ahomaso programming e ma ye busua. E ma ye busua. Ye nuanem, ye jane enna.
Mame.
Ye busua kese pa. What you say? Atem wo so wo srebra kwa me atem didi a odidi wo no eno cho na wapa wo no what you say won so as bema no me mie wa no emfe nidi wo ba wo peso ware na tem de me kan wote oba wo ni na wutu munye ne ho ade o expect wo say wo be kwakwa ne ho ade yie onu aduane ma wudi o so niama sebo kwa adwuma na abrekra na wo ko dosa no ne beda o ja ne ho ma wo ne da enti misre emema so mudi ma na tamunye mu hwe na munyai bra kwa me me da se won so pa ne cho se fi na akwai wuni na tembium mitie o
ekuma mpacho oni mibi
debi
me dia ne se on oya ade na se
bra kwa me tie me me mpese obobo nkro bi abiom wo yi nsa na me kan na mama oba na ba o cho se oni wa tembio won so pa na cho se woni na tembio oya ade aka kire no ba me fa tembi di enrem that's all I'm saying enti didi atem na odi no e na me kan pa me pese me tisa wo pa ne cho men ka ti o
if you am pacho me pacho me se ye obio
mama wa san kura gume na bra kwa me woni se oyire afia oyire oba be wa na e ma afia oni mu mfia wadi o bra kwa wadi mfia he
me pacho no 35
o 35 ma oyire biebi ne maso oba ne hu won oba sa no
obeti bi nsie no
me da se
ani de me koba adwuma no bo bampo a me nya adwuma no pro ma che no so ba me nya se ye be se ye nya ni se
me da se bra kwa me pacho ma wade no nyame nsa wo muate ne ntia me ka sa ne se nyankopon ense nim se betimi aya wade a enka na wo call e ma through we are seeing fan nyina brochire babe all the regions obi person of frɛ obi a hwɛ obi atie enti so obi afrɛ na o kana asɛm Odo Ahomaso a ɛyɛ na me gidi me mpanifo nso gidi sɛ ebeye yie enti me srɛ
okay o de o si ma me nkasa bi o nso de
o de kan last words na
me kimi kyerɛ sɛ be ko du ye no in fact na kama kuma pa sɛ nka This is some other that sit on me. I can say, Makuma to me.
Medase. Nyame. Nyame bra kwa me medase. Efia, monfa ni die na monko hu ebusua no na ye ne ntententem. Ansa na di akwala etoso miensa aba. Wate? Na afei oba efie. Bukunu ma wusika sefa ye adwuma, hwesefa ye adwuma. Jade me ko me ma me hokakọ sika. Me ko me wo fa hokakọ sika na emoa. Wo tieti wana fofo a bema po.
Yeah.
The American wote.
Yeah. A good guy.
Yo, share wo ko ba ye no. Na so ni ma auto bi ton wo na ye first person I'll start here. Entu ko wo ba ye ko oh, wa ko wo ba ye tiri kwa eh why are there on beto ama because some say wa wo fresh your bad time. And so go back to your business. Na jan de wo de ye busuan de no enya de be boa. The American efia wote.
Pasha meti.
Jimenama. Na ya frame ni e mo nkomo. Wote ana
Pasha.
Me ba efia say na obe yema niema e basa ni hwe he 0244 26 12 00
0244
26 12 00
0244
26 12 00 Efia nsa na adebeto so no wako school kakra de
but me ko do JSS.
Uko do JSS. Why are there? Until you from me 1 2 na me fa send me text message. What it? Yeah. Bye bye. Mon kosun tie be discuss mo issue no. Me de nyame asepasa this call came true because na be man na ye na agen say enya ade anka wade no obeye yi. So
yeah.
I mean, you see, these are the issues.
You see, people.
What are you talking about?
People should learn to respect each other. Right?
Yeah, it's important.
Partners, once we decide, say we share will be. Obano, whichever way I'll be sharing on.
Yeah.
And all that, home, only no too. And you guys ever tuning in, you know, or you're not going to say, Bema way, none better not. Of course, or Sinto, I want home. Listen to the say, be an hano.
Yeah.
Okay. Now, Bema so when you're butre, what no, it's not deep enough. I say, and quite enough into so. Everyone's also what can say. Once you decide, say, when you be what's nano. It's almost a boo. I feel no boo no. I say, uma, one I say to my obano, it will ferro coin beso. One for when the man qua. Also first be saying finish out.
Yeah, you see what it is and saying. And man will for Sabi omokro monim enye papa na say no. The moment obano say also nya self discipline po. Na okase there be ma won men na. But dream bibi nkwanim say e bi obani papa. Madono. Enti don't respect and obana enya ma wo. But remember bebre ma ja wo ma wo they don't even respect them. When can come for yin son obe wo na say. And a man on swing me can know. Yes, se wonu nsa wo rodin penifo be didi. So, enti me sometimes I mean,
yeah.
Baby, I mean,
yeah.
You see, Andrew, I love the statement you made. We should be each other's keepers. And we should respect each other.
You are partners. Partners. You want to be dinner time for them from and you men also sign about that.
A so one me akasa if you no buy kan esen kwande se no isi kan twa me na fe me bo hanu wo be mi amenofo wa be bo me to ene me kwan do wo na me be ja me ho say ene me na it will never happen. We are each other's keeper.
And Emma so mumu ade kakra Emma.
And I make say that I gave it to them all right.
In fact, you did so well.
Yeah.
I mean, Uba say I make come, but Uba we know what to say. Come on.
Yeah. Oma accepted the fact that reality no na your face you pointed out.
The reality, me there would me baba me can show. Ye nyen katasu mba so maha. Why your draws me nya ka. Me nya ka. Uko baby o say na mama be ma ne me ana. Oba me dey hu say ne court na o ye adwuma na so nya adwuma. Na nyankopon say be ogrushi ni. When you are truthful to yourself, who say nyankopon mo ama be ma say ne court nya adwuma.
Yeah.
That is one thing I always tell my people. No. We are faithful, we are truthful to God.
And I say, nyankopon e kroboni. Oya igbeni, ana e dankati ni. and I'm a chrome yendi. On the sun and go ponte. No. Well, nipa.
Yeah.
Oh, nyame onye nipa. By your dog. Ye nipa da sinikwe papa cry. And I said your G and Kwanyame. And I said bonnet cry ebi.
Yeah.
Oh, yes, darling.
And one other thing is a bearman.
Yeah.
Also, ban Ubusan or say Okudu JSS. It tells you say be a not for business from Kakra. So bearman also to me money 9
yeah.
Now to be sure ban how to manage the little he's given her.
Yeah.
What do I say? Bearman need to be an okoba or to be in your contract say the business no.
Great.
Wow, honor best back is okay. Let's see how we can turn this profit around to get maybe a third business.
Yeah.
You want to these two are a bit me.
And I say, if you're being call ahead, on Warrior, almost sky business, and call buy container, and call. I say, Sikano so they are coming work we see a year. I mean, and you see a before. Yes, a before.
Yeah.
Oh, and the before the money bassa, and the black crime me pacho, Nyabotre. Me refi be so free, but move by and why they invite him.
In fact, there's one critical point. This reminds me, Yena Obanakoya.
Also went to me and come that I know. And to this kind of money.
Okay. So my point is that there are a lot of families, about a high percentage of Ghanaians.
Yes.
I want name say there are companies, well-established companies around that, who share a certain minimum amount of money. You don't have to think of getting money from a third source to go and finance a yena baro. Banks,
but most can
insurance.
So you go to.
I mean, yeah. What I'm saying is there are life assurance companies.
Okay.
Okay. I mean, whichever pocket are who maybe I will to pick and whatever it is. Maybe minimum 1 cedi a day. What I say?
Yeah.
Say, I mean, who twice your contributions now?
Yeah.
So now be free more. Depending on insure the free more. They will give you in a matter of 48 hours, and I said in a matter of 5 days.
I know you work with the bank. With him, one of these days, remember that opportunity, they indicate it.
Yeah.
All right. In fact, I'll give you the opportunity on the show. They indicate so that your ton akutuo, PK, handkerchiefs, togbe, we can be saving with those banks so that we be buy a swap. We bit me help if you. So we'll book that thing so we discuss it, right? Okay. Mommy, me pacho Microsoft a call so no. Mon fan chemi. Brother Eric.
Yeah.
You've heard all that has gone on. Na I didn't know what can so I can read. Yeah. You buy my US problem no na.
One critical thing I say make couples and I say partners aware they say in every relationship respect a very key thing and support. Once so you share a brother no situation or woman na it's still worry mu we worry a relationship
oh yes
it's still worry mu yes it's still worry mu na say it's still musa no so the confusions eba the awareja ye eba wo guy no e wo odo owo tima no we willing so obe worry lady no but because of eniama nkitinkiti no ye no and they putting it off but once you can some no this year and and one I back so said the name brand no the level of business thinking
she needs education
and who said Nikuno no that upper hand no into no there yesterday beman say obe bo ba no obe so nsa ono of from so nimu no ne ompeja no now omo me gina baby yes omo gina na our there is just a matter of how you want it and you be kesiye.
You have to make it work.
You have to make it work.
Make it
happen. And yes, something big.
Yeah.
Something moderate. Something wangasa we feel say adiana maye no me cry at enyaje. Then you just do it. Now move on. Now say man get na din shireba mosoma other opportunities eba ma akwemu. Internal they are very critical.
Okay.
You respect you.
You respecting is so important. Madam was say munya abotre otwen na motie de e kro na mode messages ni na aba. Master my son fan that call mommy twa me homra kakra bi na afi entra so. Madam nyina say love you more. Mwah. awie ade hye my memo nyina cover na madam wasi papa my fast that kese nso Emma Givers P capsules and Givers co-bitters what says my come up mu ye entafo ai co capsules no Givers co capsules no ebe yi mama ni nyina wo system ni mu oye wo kotodwe paso o siesie wo kama na fei wo de Givers P power capsules so aboso enti wonu we no na onu we won kasa okoto we nkwa no anu awie ansan wanu we da bi eya numienu ni bom na Givers P power capsules ne de esiesie o ma wo do no ye de oba I'm just say obema no say yes we dem worry enimu yes sere nkwa na na ayakama ya don't want to papa I yo ya don't want some asene and I fay anajo black mosquito coil insecticide spray and I fay fly away fly killers we has to be in our homes yen yusu baby basis ni nam krom baby ye benye bia to yen penis kama na yen fancy ye fie the intimi na ho yen so nda ye pa ane ya don't want say anajo black mosquito coil sa omasene na the royals at the global firm are tight. Global firm are tight. But I say, now me say we natural ingredients and the other bibia. Hey, intensify pleasure and sensation. Mami can hear ne who dey make sure no. Afa a tighten of vagina no. Is natural tight, when artificial title. We are naturally tight. Sana be ye and afa improve your natural libidos. Just say Emma who sisi wo so Emma ne say kama who line no. Hey, global femana tight. Ya don't must say ya fufu nyina say and all the contributors every day. Kwame ne efia wade ne bia me bomudin ne bia because efia de me nana. Right, brother Eric, how are you doing, brother?
I'm just relaxing.
Andrew?
We're just taking it easy.
Oh boy. You know, so let me go back to my Instagram. Let me read a bit, okay? Miss Anita Brown said, watching you live from USA. I'm very happy to see my handsome brothers.
Anita, baby.
Oh, baby. Yeah. And she's glued to the set, you know.
Anita, we love you.
Yeah, but trying.
On for you, Esemra.
Yeah.
So about Ghana, so about
anytime about them, yeah, she should touch base.
Yes.
Anita about Ghana, touch base on me, and then I'll take you through the floor. All right? Okay. Pastor Kashia say, I'm watching you live from God. So, self-control is one of the greatest attitude to sustain your marital union.
Yeah.
Opening, I salute you.
That's right.
All right. Tichu say watching you live from Koforidua. Love your program, pa. Me that say. Debbie says I'm glued to my TV. Keep learning new things in my relationship. Thanks, ma. Me that say, Debbie. Ken Asante say Akuma. I'm sending love from New York. Wow, me that say. Watching your show all the time. I need an advice. My fiancé does not respect my mom, and I'm thinking of calling off the marriage. What do you think? Oba baba one in nante. Na ni so ma me mo nwen hwen na me ba. We be ma na odi aba. Ana be ma na ni so ma me. You see the opposite could be true. And you discussing both sex, right?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, political pastor says God first. He is the center of everything. Family second, because they are the way to support you to make your work successful. But don't let your family matter hijack your work. All right? Me da say, papa. Now let's discuss Ken's issue. Okay. So what relationship you heading towards marriage? Now. Utmi who say oba na oba wari ndebi no nani nso maame ana bema na oba wari ndebi no nani nso o maame ana o papa. What do you do? He needs an advice. He's watching us now.
Okay. Who go first?
Yo, go,
okay.
Baby, go.
Okay, so
but let's watch time so that you say it and he also say that.
Okay, that's fine. So 5 seconds, 15 seconds or whatever.
Go ahead, brother.
What can New York?
We have time, so
right.
Speak.
So Mr. Msiti Tekwashi, Yabankwa Menu, Michael Brown, Ekuma, if only you knew people who cannot speak at this moment, okay, but are in great support of your work, you have no idea. I'm telling you. Families, you're talking about families, oh?
Yeah.
Okay? Yes, it's amazing. Now, this guy, I'm saying, say, Bibi and Sia, who be su buying.
Bibi and Coca Papa, and you shredded.
Okay.
Okay.
So, me sure say, Obano, same as Oba and Abema, whichever way, Obi will show disrespect to Ebia and a partner, no, our four and the Busia four. Oh, fiti preocupe.
And yes, I did know.
Okay, right. Ebia, na four no, after such a long time. O my ebia now what tries so all can want some. But in a way, Bemano would get say the woman is not pleased with what the Busia for answer mammy and say, yeah. Also, my before so I'm just assuming it's because it happens. And because when you say bia ne doba baby worry. Breaking that bond with the son no a big issue for mammy no. So sa and ma bema no crap to me and maybe I didn't take it straight. But then for the Nanton chain, why would you want to disrespect your partner's parents?
But that's it. That why is there. But Mr. Asante, I'll love sir later. No, just tell me, give me the steps. Yeah, continue. Brother Rick, what do you have to say here?
Yes,
the same issue.
Yes, the little I mean, so it said they my brother Nekano. Well, ebusiam na ufi na woko ebusiam. Na ebusiam na woko mu no. Say obu oni ho no mo a. Where will the support come? Because you need the blessing of your parents, and you need the blessing as well as from the guy's parents. Now, say if one party in support, and I say, what show attitude towards one party parents? Now, where would that love come from? Where would that blessing come from? Into whatever problem I work obano, any bema nebusian for no, they have to trash it out. Not assume embra. As bar, then they can flow, and that blessing will be on their marriage whenever they want to marry. Okay. Because may say both parties, no, and J our and Tuma, definitely issues will come up.
Okay, Liberty Fashion says you looking gorgeous tonight. Akuma, this Willie, may that say, but man, what I'm wearing on is Bond Collections. Hey, Jawulu Bond Collections or Tony Pa Nana Tony Bon or designing mommy. May I say, you know, but it's great and mommy take your opportunity. Now me na say. Alice is prepared to say the 9th National Widows Alliance Conference. You guys were coming and give that great support.
We had a blast.
You had what?
A blast.
How?
See, people for your events.
Yeah.
Okay. And, you know. I mean, good intentions and all.
Yeah.
Participation. Someone for anti, say amba. Everything you do will come to nuts.
I know.
I entered the pavilion.
Yeah.
Also, we agreed right here. Say, oh, you're back.
By the time I'm more mind, me say, oh, you guys are busy somewhere, and I did not get home early.
In fact, I had to travel, but I was like, no.
Yeah, he told me.
Let's do this.
Yeah.
Okay. We sort of, and I was like, I hope, say, this thing we are attending, you know, Kuma, this thing's going to happen. It was the kind of man you drew her. You rise, and I was like, wow.
Yeah.
It's like the groups were all over from Ghana.
Yeah.
Almost
all the regions.
All the regions.
And the women.
It's hard work and God. And the understanding to, Raddy, go ahead.
So I was so grateful, say, you invited us to attend this program. And I'm saying, say, we are all for women. Once we get it right now. Exactly the family. You understand? I'm just praying. Now I'm just come the next.
The 10th one.
If you say you were around there, we just come.
Oh, you'll be around. You'll be around. You not die now.
Yeah.
Okay. Yes. Eric.
Nyame so enshirawo pa wo ade awde yema ekunafo no ne project ya so a person set a Gary factory no. A very big project and idea program na ho you know a very positive. We say kunafo ne bebre wo no mo a se ne kunu eja no ho ana yire na wa handicap esa so nyansa no dwuma an initiative I will take it now the Gary no etimi de nema bebre bitimi ye nema bebre and that initiative now I think say in fact Nyankopon ehira we and we are also asking say whatever support I will be able to media aba no nyamenka obi akoma na obi antimi and supportive projects in any initiative way.
I think you should keep a certain account, a certain number open. Those who still want to do that, you know, much me.
Yeah, we do. There are same number. They doesn't really come. But I know it will get to a point that it will come. It will get to a point that it will come. And I'm also grateful. Once when you are doing something and you are passionate about it, you have a great team. You think about it and you move it, but it is not easy for them to move from Dambai, Volta region, Wenchi, you just name it. It's easy. It takes a lot of traveling for them to understand. Even so, Obefi, the more bro and more crana, what Jay Sunu, no chance, say cry, Juma, woman is cast on Vanya, Juma crano, so Betty I saw the Bayan. It takes God.
I just want to say one thing to them.
It takes God.
I want to say one thing to them. Say, as women and as widows, yes, they can.
Oh, yes, they can. Yes, and that is the empowerment we do give them. And I thank God, say, they are getting it. And other women who are even still marrying are learning from them. Exactly. Because you need that self-will, that empowerment to stand for yourself and that of your kids. Adeshimaima, baby, na obia enya that boldness no. Oh, dino krema ho. Now dino krema ho a. Nyankopon obehira wo kwa bebre so. Empratwe no say mon no mo ho na mo ho na ntimi nya awade nso ya abotire o enye gidi. Emma dodo na fa nidie ma omo yire no mo. Na yire nso fa nidie ma wo mo kunu no mo. Na enyina etimi aye say baako. Enye saa etipeti say ya na akoye basa. Wankunya program pa bi so Odo Ahomaso a na akoye de wo ho. Brother Eric, we are so grateful to you. Brother Andrew, we love you more. My wonderful cameraman, my sound man, my set designer, my light man, MCR, producer, director, and you at home. We love you more. Let's give it to them. Edamasio.